We have made it to Magic Kingdom, and my husband told me to say this, so I'm gonna say it just for him. He wants me to say it looks like someone is storming the castle. You get it? He thinks I'm ridiculous. But the castle does look kind of cool with like blue in the background. And peep that everyone is leaving because it just stormed, so I'm pretty heckin' excited about that fact. Because like everyone's dip setting and it's still open for like 4 hours. So we're about to get a lot of major park time in. Let's go! As so graciously requested on our Instagram, the first ride we are supposed to do is Pirates. So we're moving and grooving on over to Pirates. It's one of my favorite rides. It's just a classic. It's so good. Fun fact though, did you know that the Pirates at Disney World is actually, I think it's like 7 minutes shorter than the one in Disneyland because they didn't have room to do the full track. So, fun facts there, the one in Disneyland is in fact quite a bit longer than the one in Disney World, although it's still quite a long ride. I think it's like 15 to 17 minutes here in Disney World. So it's still a good one. Fun fact I'm learning, guys. If there's ever time to go to Magic Kingdom, it is about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour after a torrential downpour. Because as we were taking the monorail to Magic Kingdom, everybody was taking the monorail out of Magic Kingdom because they were like, F this rain. And, I mean, we're battling some people right now, but we're battling them because they're going the other direction towards the exit, and we're pushing into the park. So, I can't complain. Also, I'm coming up on, oh, he just spit. I was coming up on the camel. I was hoping he'd spit on me, but I guess I missed it. Arg, mateys. Making my way to the pin board. Well, pin sword. Ha. I like it. We said hi to our pirate friends, and now we are on our way to go say hi to some happy haunts. It is, in fact, the haunted house, and the line is absolutely ridiculous because it's still lightning and thundering, so everybody and their mother is heading to all the inside rides. Thankfully, we have a lightning lane. I just gotta figure out how to get to that line. So, fun fact while I'm waiting in the heat of the Haunted Mansion is that the reason why the pre-show is a stretch room like it is actually because of the one that was built in Disneyland. It is an actual elevator that brings you down to the basement level where the ride is, versus the one in Disney World is not an elevator. They actually had to build it where it stretches up because the ride is still on this level. So, fun fact of the day, guys. Oh, see that lightning though? Ooh. Alright, we did not become the last happy haunt, and we are now at Big Thunder. Got my mobile order in for some corn dog nuggets at Casey's Corner to pick up on our way out for our dinner. I can't really call it dinner, it'll be like 10:30 or 11, but it's fine. And we are moving and grooving, making our way to Big Thunder. Just reopened after the storm, so of course all the lines are getting really, really long. Amen for Lightning Lane. Whoop. Pardon the mess that is my hair, but it's now time for the wildest ride in the wilderness. We tackled the most wild ride in the West. I can't talk. I'm so tired. Now, we're going to go get wet, hopefully during the fireworks. I'm really hoping we can be going down the hill while the fireworks are going off. We are fingers crossed that the timing works out for some Splash Mountain fireworks. Okay, I'm a little moist now, but Big Thunder Mountain, check. Splash Mountain, check. We're on our way to Space Mountain, and then we will have done all 3 mountains in about an hour, give or take. So, I think we did pretty good, and it sounds like Enchantment's on now. Thank you guys for all of your support. We will be back next week with another video where we take on Animal Kingdom.